1 box of our uncooked penne pasta in our 13 by 9. Next, I'm gonna grab 1 bag of uncooked shrimp that I defrosted. We're gonna add that right on top of our pasta. Kind of spread that. Next, I'm coming in with my Cajun seasoning. I got this one when I was in New Orleans, and it is so good. We're gonna be heavy-handed with the seasoning because that is the main flavor palette for this dish. So I think I added about 3 tablespoons. Next, I'm gonna add 1 can of crushed tomatoes. Perfect. And we're not adding any other seasoning because that Cajun seasoning is gonna be so good and all the seasoning we need. I am gonna add some garlic because I love garlic. I'm using the minced garlic, already minced, but you can obviously use fresh. And we're gonna add about a tablespoon of that garlic. I have here some Parmesan cheese. Now I got kind of like the nice Parmesan cheese, but you can just get a Kraft Parmesan bag or you can shred your own Parmesan, but we're doing 2 7-ounce bags of Parmesan cheese. So it's gonna be cheesy, it's gonna have that Cajun, it's gonna have some acidity from the tomatoes. It is gonna be really, really delicious, and I think you guys are going to love it. Now that pasta is not cooked, so we need to add some liquid, and I'm using heavy whipping cream. You could do a milk broth, a water, but I am choosing the heavy cream because I want this to be a creamy pasta. And we're gonna add this entire bottle of heavy cream, which might seem like a lot, but remember, we want that pasta to cook. All right, we're gonna give this a good mix. I'm using that pasta spoon so that we can really get everything well combined. We have the pasta, the shrimp, the Cajun seasoning, the crushed tomatoes, all that goodness. I absolutely love this 1 pan, super easy dinner. You can just throw it together on a weekday, put it in the oven, and everyone will love it. Now, if your family doesn't like shrimp, you could do a already cooked chicken. You could do some ground beef, but I really think that shrimp goes best with that Cajun seasoning, which is why I went for it. Oh my gosh, I think we might have added too much cheese, but I don't think that's a thing in my house, right, babe?
No, absolutely not. Extra cheese, please.
Always. All right, and make sure that those shrimps are tails off and cleaned. Okay, and we're gonna make sure to flatten this out so that it all can get cooked evenly, and we are almost ready. That Cajun seasoning smells delicious. All right, now to ensure everything gets cooked properly, we are gonna put some foil. We'll just create some moisture while it's cooking. We're gonna cover that up, super easy. And that is it, our super easy Cajun 1 pan pasta is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350. And this is gonna be in there for 50 minutes. All right, moment of truth. Ooh, that looks incredible. We have to give it 1 more good mix and get everything well combined. Oh, look at that beautiful sauce we created with the heavy cream, the Parmesan, the Cajun, and the tomato. All right. Time to give this a try. Ooh, I'm so excited. Cajun pasta.
It looks perfectly cooked.
Oh yeah, the pasta, the shrimp, everything is perfect. All right, we got some pasta, we got a shrimp piece. Perfect bite. It's gonna be really hot. All right, dig in.
Is it good?
No way. Wow, that is the best pasta I've ever had. You guys gotta try it.